let's solve another question. And in this question it says limit as x approaches 2 pi from the left side, and you have the x multiplied by the cosecant of the x. So the way we're gonna solve this is, first we're gonna transfer this cosecant to the 1 divided by sine, because as you guys know, cosecant x equals 1 divided by sine x. This makes it easier to handle this problem. Instead of using the cosecant, we're gonna use the sine x. So we're gonna say limit as x approaches 2 pi from the left, and x divided by the x gonna stay in the top, as you guys know, and the sine will go to the bottom. And so we're gonna have x divided by sine x. And what we want to do is now, let's draw the picture for the sine x. So we have, this is the picture for the sine. And let's suppose this is, as we said, this is plus 1, minus 1. And we have, this is pi divided by 2. This is pi. And this is 3 pi divided by 2. And this is 2 pi. And as you guys know, at 0, sine 0 is 0, at 90 is 1, at 280 is 0, and at 270 minus 1 or negative 1. And this is our picture for the sine. So and what we're saying is that the sine approaches the 2 pi from the left side. So this is 2 pi and we're approaching it from the left side, so it means we're approaching it from this side. So as you guys see, this value over here is minus 1. So this means all these values are minus or negative. So this means this negative, 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 as we get closer to the 0, we're getting all our values is negative. So this means that our denominator approaches 0 with negative values. So we approaching the 0, we're getting closer to the 0, but with negative values. And the numerator is not that important. You just type it 2 pi, it gets closer to the 2 pi, so we could just write 2 pi. And what this means, that our numerator is positive, but our denominator is going to the negative. And we said that since this value gets closer to the 0, this value, our numerator grows bigger and bigger. So this one goes smaller, our numerator goes bigger and bigger. So this means we're getting closer to the infinity. Basically, the more bigger numerator goes, the bigger values get. So basically this means we're getting closer to the infinity. But which infinity? Since we have over here negative, this means we're getting closer to the negative infinity.